Babies grow very quickly during the first months of life, and during this time they often experience what are called growth spurts. A growth spurt is a short period when a baby suddenly needs more nutrition to support rapid development. During these phases, babies may seem hungry more often than usual. They may want to breastfeed more frequently, wake up more at night, or appear unsatisfied after a normal feeding session. For many mothers, this can create concern about whether their milk supply is enough. A breast pump can be very helpful during these growth spurts. By adding extra pumping sessions throughout the day, mothers can stimulate additional milk production. Breast milk production works through a natural supply and demand system. When the breasts are emptied more often, the body responds by producing more milk. For example, a mother may choose to pump for 10 to 15 minutes after breastfeeding her baby. Even if only a small amount of milk is expressed at first, the extra stimulation encourages the body to increase milk production over time. Some mothers also add one extra pumping session in the evening or early morning, which are times when milk supply may naturally be higher. It is important for mothers to remember that growth spurts are temporary. They usually last only a few days. During this short period, babies are simply asking the body to produce more milk to support their growing needs. Using a breast pump during these moments can help mothers maintain confidence in their breastfeeding journey. With patience, proper hydration, rest, and consistent milk removal through breastfeeding and pumping, the body adjusts naturally to meet the baby's new nutritional demands.